Want to keep your WordPress site clean, organized, and SEO friendly? It all starts with categories. And today, I'll show you how to add one. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or just starting out, this small trick can make your website way more user-friendly. Hey there, you're watching Ustable, your reliable, pocket-friendly web hosting partner. Let's jump right in and see how easily you can add a new category in WordPress. With no coding, no confusion, just quick and clear steps. How to add a new category in WordPress. Categories are used to organize your blog posts. Different posts related to the same topic can be placed in one category. When a visitor opens a category, he finds all the relevant posts on one page, which increases the chances of him opening multiple posts. Let's see how we can create categories and subcategories in WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. There's a menu on the left sidebar with different options. When you hover your cursor over the Posts option, it pops out more options. Then click the Categories option. Now give a name to your category. This name will be visible to website visitors and should therefore be relevant to the group of posts included in this new category. Next is the slug just below it. Slug is a user-friendly part of your permalink. It comes at the end of your page link. Here, PC means personal computer, which is the name of our new category. Next is the drop-down menu where we can select the parent category. We can set it as a parent category or a child category. The reason we have those is to be more organized. We can have computer as a parent category and under that, personal computer as a child category. If you haven't decided on the structure and hierarchy of the categories, you can leave it for now by setting the parent category as none and changing it later. The next one is description, which is not so important. So I leave it blank and scroll down. Now let's click this Add New Category button. Notice here on the right, when I click this button, see this. We have added a new category, personal computer, to the category list. And the slug is set to PC. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching.